Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Courtney here, and I'm going to be doing a, I don't know what to call this video, so whatever's in the title, you will know what I'm calling this video. This is basically like a giveaway drawer clean out slash extra drawer clean out slash I don't know. I am struggling with my hair. So anyway, this is basically all the stuff that I have amassed, whether I bought it purposely for a giveaway, or I got it in a giveaway, or I got it as a freebie and I just put it aside to put in a giveaway. I basically haven't done a giveaway in a long time on my channel because they just don't work the way that they're meant to. They never seem to work for me. It's always some kind of a problem, and I just would rather donate the stuff, I guess, than try to run a giveaway again on my channel. So I'm going to go through that drawer and figure out what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to get rid of and what I'm going to donate and what's just really old, what is going to go in my collection, what I'm going to try to give to my friends, etc. So let's do that. I guess I should have just taken you off of my tripod, but I made that really hot on myself, and now we're going to go look at my drawer. So the drawer... Okay, so the drawer in question is this one right here, and I'm just kind of like showing you where it is because I'm not going to film it over here because there's a lot of stuff. So like all my workout stuff's over here, like our TV, and there's a lot of stuff over here. So basically, yes, this is my makeup collection. This box is stuff to donate. This stuff is where all my stuff is, and then like new in stuff, it's kind of chaotic. So I'm going to just pull everything from that drawer and we're going to talk about it. So hold your horses 1 second. Alright, so let's talk about the stuff that's in here. Some of this stuff I don't even know what to do with. So, I have not, none of this stuff has been opened to my knowledge. And like a lot of it is still like in boxes and stuff because I was like planning to give it away, obviously. But yeah, so let's just start, I guess. So the first thing is this e.l.f. highlighter in white pearl. I don't really need another highlighter, so I think I'm gonna pass on this one. I also, while we're literally talking about it, this is the e.l.f. illuminating palette, and this is brand new also, and I'm actually panning this year, like to finish. So I think I'm gonna pass both of these unopened along, either to a friend or donate them, because I don't need to have a replacement for that because I don't like it that much. Let's just like do the easy things first, I guess. This is a Wet n Wild Mega Last Gel Nail Polish, whatever these are called, One Step Wonder Gels, and Lavender Out Loud. I bought this for a giveaway because I love this color a lot. Like, I love this color. It's actually really similar to what's on my nails right now, but a little bit lighter than they're coming off. And this is brand new, so I'm going to see if I can donate that too, or maybe one of my friends will want it if I can't donate it. And that one's for sure new. This was an accident. I accidentally bought this from Color Club. This is Date with Destiny. I bought this one twice on accident. I'm pretty positive. I'm gonna check. Hold that thought. Okay, I lied. So I remember why though. So this is Bewitched. This is the one I kept, and this is Date with Destiny, and they're the exact same. Like the hollow is the same and the shift is the same. So I was trying to do good things. So this I'm definitely going to pass on. Because it's like I said, it's brand new. I didn't even swatch it. And then I also have this Laura Ashley nail polish. And I think I'm just going to toss this one because these were just like a really bad formula. Like I don't know who Laura Ashley is. I don't know what her deal is, but her nail polishes always seem like they suck. And I just don't want to pass that on to somebody else. Ugh, okay. So this Essence Make Me Brow in Brownie Brows, I'm actually going to keep. It's brand new. I was planning on doing like a favorites giveaway, and I use this all the time, but the one I have right now is almost gone, and I need a backup, so I guess I'm just going to put this in my drawer and keep. Yes. Same with this Tarte Partay blush. This is brand new, and I I panned one of these last year and I really liked it, so I think I'm just gonna put this in my drawer. The Anastasia Liquid Glow in Peach Fizz. I don't know. I think I swatched this one. I don't know though, you guys. It looks like I did maybe swatch it. Oh god. This is too dark. Like, I'm pretty sure that's why. Ooh, yeah. I'd have to be so tan, because it leaves like a color on my skin. Okay, so since I have opened this and had already swatched it once, I'm gonna take it in like a week. I'm going to one of my friends' houses, and maybe one of them is tan enough to wear this, so I'll take it there, because I don't think I can just like donate. I don't think I can donate it if I have swatched it. I'm gonna have to look it up. I don't know. So that's a maybe. But it's brand new, so I don't really want to throw it away. Same with this Tarteist lip paint. This is in Birthday Suit. I have one of these already, obviously, and I think this one came in Sephora Play. So I'm going to see if one of my friends wants it, that I'm going to see in a couple weeks, because that's a good one that, like, other people could maybe use. That it's like a nice neutral. This is from Wander 2. It's a glitter jelly in aquamarine. I don't know. It's literally like a glitter gel. And this came in an Ulta bag or something, and I don't even think I can pass this on, to be honest. Because it's like a gel, and I don't remember when I got this. I never used it, but I don't know when I got it, so I think I'm just gonna toss it. I don't know. It seems like unsanitary to give it to somebody else. Even though I never like put it on my eyes or anything, but still. So this is a good one I'm gonna pass on. This is the Wet n Wild All Natural palette in Nude Awakening. I got this because it was supposed to be a dupe for something else, I don't remember. And then the whole thing with Wet n Wild happened, so I never pulled it out and I didn't get rid of it, so I'm gonna give it away to one of my friends. And then this is the Modern Metals palette by e.l.f. And I don't know, I think I liked it because I'm trying to remember who even like said something good about this palette. It's somebody I watched, but I think I have really similar, all the shimmer shades, I definitely have shimmer, like similar colors to. And like, so those 5, like those 4, like the red, the blue, the yellow, the purple, maybe I don't, but I don't think I'm gonna miss that. So this is gonna go also away. Just getting rid of everything. I have 2 brushes in here, which I'm gonna keep. So one is the Wet n Wild crease brush. It's like $1. I have one more of these, and I have this my like backup one. And if you guys have like a similar brush to this from any other company, I'd love to know, because I eventually do want to not have that anymore. And then this is the e.l.f. contouring brush, which is unopened, and I don't know why, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. And something in this group is making my allergies really flare up. But look at how nice this is. Why have I never used this before? I don't know. We're gonna use it now though, since I just put it on my face. So that's gonna stay, obviously. This is a Makeup Forever Artist Rouge lipstick in number C211. I think this is a bright pink. Oh no, it's a nude. Alright. So I'm just gonna pass that on to one of my friends, because I don't know when I got this. I'm gonna let them test it, and if they don't want it, they can toss it. I will not be upset. This is just an extra hair thing. This is the Hydrating Hair Balm by Mistrix IGX. And I have 2 of these. I got one, both in Sephora Play, within like 3 months of each other. This is the Sexy Mother Pucker Pillow Plump XXL Lip Gloss in Pinkwell. I don't think I've used this. I'm pretty sure I haven't, because I recall that this burns. I think I'm gonna just toss this one, because I don't recall using it, but I also don't recall not using it. I don't know. It looks like I might have switched it. So I'm going to toss it because we're just not going to heck with that. And then this is the Lime Crime Diamond Crusher in Trip. And I remember this came in one of those bags too. And I like this packaging is so pretty. Ugh. I know I haven't used this and I know I haven't swatched it, but I want to, but am I ever going to use it? Probably not. All right, I'm going to get rid of this too because I'm just never going to use it. I'm just not. Okay, so I have a, from Soap and Glory, I have like a Christmas kit and I think something leaked in this because the outside box is really soft and that's concerning to me. So we're gonna open it and see. So there is, oh yeah. So this is definitely wet. Very grossed out by this. This is a Shea Butter Sugar and Peach Seed Body Polish. It's called Flake Away. I need like a towel. Ew, that's super gross. I don't know, I'm assuming it leaked because there's stuff all over all of this. So I don't know what leaked specifically, but something did. It still smells fine, so I'm just gonna put this in my stash and start using it. Everything I feel like is going to be kind of icky. So this is the Righteous Butter Body Butter. Everything's super sticky, gross. And this is literally just a body butter. These all look fine though, so I'm assuming the spray is what, the body spray is what leaks. I don't know, the body spray feels completely fine, so maybe not. This is in the original pink is what it says. What does it smell like? Okay. Seems fine. This is the body wash. This says Clean On Me Creamy Clarifying Shower Gel. Yes, you can have it all. Okay. Thanks. I knew I could. Yeah, so this stuff I'm not going to give away because I don't really know if it's, I don't know. I'm very concerned about why this is all wet. Oh, this is what leaked. I'm going to throw this out. This is the Hand Food Original Pink Non-Greasy Hydrating Hand Cream. Non-greasy my ass. Everything in this thing is greasy. Oh, yeah. I don't think you could see that, but I think you could hear it. So much oil just shot out of that. And yeah, so that's going to get tossed for sure. And the other stuff I'm going to keep because it seems fine. So that's nasty. Okay, now that I'm like covered in goop, let's move on, shall we? This is a mini liquid lip set from Anastasia. It has 3. I feel that I got these. Obviously, I got them to give away, but I feel like I got these a while ago. So I'm going to open the nude one and like swatch it. This is in Hudson, and sniff it and stuff because I feel like these go bad pretty easily. I don't know. It doesn't smell bad. Okay, sorry, my camera heated up and was pissed. It overheated. So like I was saying, I opened this, I sniffed it, I swatched it, it seemed fine. We are gonna do a little put it on my mouth test because that'll be the key. If it feels weird, then we don't want it here. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. She gone. All right, here we go. Do it for the vine. ain't gonna do it. Okay. To be honest, it feels fine. It looks good and it felt good going onto my face, so I'm gonna say it's fine. I am gonna keep this one obviously because I just put my mouth on it, but I think these two, the other two remaining ones, which are in Bittersweet and Dazed for sure, and I both of these I think I'm gonna give to one of my friends when I go next weekend, just because I have a lot of colors, those colors, so I'm gonna give them away. And then I have this whole like mini lip kit. This is the Gimme Some Nude Lip from Sephora, and I'm giving away everything except for the Buxom lip gloss because I like it and I want to keep it, and that's it. So I'm gonna give all of this to them also. I have a couple nail kits. This is the Impress One Step Gel, and yes, I was measuring out what ones would fit my finger while we were waiting for my camera to cool. So I'm gonna I think use this. I don't know. And then the other set is a Geo Mini nail set. These are stiletto artificial nails, and I bought them because they're super cute. But I never used them because I was scared, to be honest. Like, if we're being real, really real. Because I didn't want to bust them. Okay, now they won't come out, so. Okay, I'm just gonna like casually destroy the box. Everything's fine. Okay. I was just like scared to use them, and because at my other job, I really couldn't have nails of any kind, but at this job, I feel like I could. So I'm definitely gonna have to file them down. Like, look at how long that is compared to my nail. Long. But I mean, if I filed them to like here. Okay, bye. I could definitely file them down though, and they would be fine, I think. So I'm probably gonna keep these and actually like make myself use them because I've had them for so long that I don't actually even think the nail glue is good anymore. So we'll have to see. I'm pretty sure it's like, oh yeah, it's just like solid. So because it doesn't actually close, it just pushes on. Good design. I like colors. So this is gonna get tossed, but the nails are fine, so I'm gonna use them. And I am gonna put these press-on Impress nails on probably right now. So that's everything. That's me going through this extra drawer. I kept 2 lip products and then an eyebrow product, and then the blush. The nail sets I kept the 2 brushes I kept, and then most of the Soap and Glory Christmas set I kept because I really don't know how old it is. So until I try like the lotion on my skin, I'm not gonna know how it is. So yeah, I'm gonna pack all this up into like a little baggie and take it when I go see my friends in a week and let them either go through it or not. And if they don't want it, it's either gonna get tossed, or if I can donate it, I'll donate it. That is all. That's the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to hang out with me anywhere else down below, you can find my links to my social media. I love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, everybody.